Hey guys, and welcome back to lesson 2 of module 1. In this course I'm going to talk about the course agenda, but first of all I'm going to tell you about the Bootstrap version that we're going to use. Here we are going to use Bootstrap 4.0 alpha version because right now the beta version isn't completely compiled by the Bootstrap team and isn't ready to use. So we're going to use Bootstrap 4 alpha version in this course. So let's continue to our first module. The first module is the introduction. It has 2 lessons. The first lesson is the introduction and the second lesson is the course agenda. Moving on to module 2, we have downloading required softwares. It has 3 lessons. The first one is downloading the brackets editor. So basically in this course we're going to use brackets editor, which is an open source editor and is completely free. In lesson 2, we're going to download Bootstrap version 4, which is the alpha version, and in lesson 3, we're going to install the Emmet package or Emmet tool that we're going to use to make our HTML and CSS workflow much easier. Module 3 is getting started. This module also has 3 lessons. The first lesson is organizing some files and folders. So basically in this lesson we're going to make some folders, some files in which we're going to code. Lesson 2 is working with HTML using Emmet. So in this lesson I'm going to guide you how to make your HTML workflow easier using Emmet tool. I'm going to tell you about the shortcuts and the abbreviations that Emmet provides us using HTML. Similarly in lesson 3, instead of HTML we're going to use CSS. I'm going to teach you the shortcuts, the abbreviations of CSS styling that is made much easier using Emmet. Module 4 is coding a responsive website. Now this is the meat part of our course. It has 6 lessons and the first lesson is linking some Bootstrap files. So from this lesson we're going to start our code. We're going to link some files, we're going to create a doc type, enter some meta tags, enter our title tag, etc. Moving on to lesson 2, we're going to create our navigation bar, or in Bootstrap terms it's called a navbar. So we're going to create a navbar, and then following the navbar we're going to create the header area on top of our navbar, in which we'll show 2 columns. One will have the About Us column and one will be the Contact Us. Lesson 4 is making Bootstrap Jumbotron. So basically Jumbotron is a new feature in Bootstrap 4.0. And basically Jumbotron is just a big dialog box, you can say, that is used to attract extra attention of users onto your website. Similarly, we'll create Bootstrap cards in lesson 5, and just like Jumbotrons, Bootstrap cards are also a new feature in Bootstrap 4.0. Lesson 6 is adding the footer area. We're going to add the footer area of our website in lesson 6. Module 5 is the course conclusion. It is only 1 lesson and I've also added a bonus lesson in this module. So the first lesson is the course wrap up. I'm going to talk about what we've done in this course so far and what we learned in this course and what will we get from this course. What did we get, in other words, from this course? And as a bonus, I will also provide you the link to some of my discounted coupons for my other courses. So let's get started. Let's jump right into our next module.